Oh, no.
Where you going? You need what? You're all done?
No.
You need more gas?
No.
You gotta get it back there. Get it back over there.
Take it to the pit crew.
Take it back over to the pit crew.
What happened here? Someone didn't give you enough gas?
Not enough gas to get around?
Let me check your gauges. Well, everything looks to be working properly here, sir. Let me see. Oh, yeah. That looks good. You're ready.
You ready?
I gotta get ready too. I'm ready to go whenever you are. Ready? Go!
Hey, Daddy, we're done.
Come in. He said Daddy needs more gas.
I need more gas?
Stop at the pit crew
We're
here.
close to being finished.